Watch the video completely and share to your near and dear friends. Subscribe. Yes, come on once again into the S Square Maths YouTube channel by saying to the board. I think so. You are eagerly waiting the 100% expected questions, even the clever students, the gifted children. So these are the problems, are nothing but the category of the questions must and should for each and every students you can expect. There is no doubt at all. So without doing late, let us jump into our topic. Nothing but here. What are the 100% expected questions? Whether it is 2 marks or 4 marks or 8 marks. Short answers, long answers, or very short answer questions are MCQ. So nothing but here visualization and representation. And representation. Category, one of the academic standards from the 5 academic standards. Okay, so you may get idea now by writing this one on the board. So let us go through it. Represent visualization and representation. In this, nothing but the first one is graphical representation. So you'll find the graph problems you know very well in the 3 different chapters. So nothing but here polynomials. Next coming to linear equations. So here pair of linear equations. In 2 variables. And in generally many of the students will skip one more thing, nothing but the third category is statistics. So let us analyze this category now, the graphical representation, nothing but finding the zeros of the polynomial, the quadratic polynomial in generally nothing but here the exercise follows, exercise 3.2 and examples. Okay, and anyhow here exercise. So here it is 3.2. Next here it is exercise 4.1 and examples also along with this. Next statistics, nothing but OJ curve. So here we have less than OJ curve and finding the median from it. Only one model graph here, it is nothing but in the statistics here less than OJ curve, less than cumulative frequency curve. From that if they ask, they can also ask find out the median from the graph. So these are the 3 different categories for the graphical representation problems. Okay, once you have the look. So here graphical representation nothing but here again it may be three cases, 2 distinct zeros, 1 zero, nothing but repeated zeros and no zeros. Here also intersecting lines, coincident lines and parallel lines. Here only the one case. So compulsory you are going to get 8 marks or 4 marks. So keep it in mind. Now the case of the geometrical constructions, visualization and representation. Okay, here nothing but similar triangles. Here the case where only the scale factor, some 3/5. So 3/5 stands for the proper fraction. Second case nothing but tangents and secants. a circle. Okay. So nothing but construction of pair of tangents. Pair of tangents for a given circle. Okay. So here it is nothing but 8.2 exercise, and here it is nothing but 9.2 exercise. Last but not the least, here many of the students again division of a line segment. In ratio m:n. Okay, so these are the three different categories. Again, you can expect here 8 marks or 4 marks. Finally, this category is nothing but here you are going to get 16 marks in general. So minimum 12 marks. Okay, 8 plus 8 or 4 plus 8 or 4 plus 8. Okay, finally 8 plus 8, 16. More than 16 also you can get. So once you have a look, so in this way 100% expected questions for each and every student. Follow it and share to your near and dear friends. See you next video session.